Hi, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to adapt an alternate version of a home page that would normally be called an announcement page in Blackboard to look like the announcement page. This will help us because we are usually referring to the announcement page in training, and we have documents showing a page called announcements, but not a page called home page. And so this is a way to quickly help a user make their page look like the tutorials and simplify life for them. Nothing wrong with the extra features we have here, it's just that we're trying to standardize for a bit. So this tutorial will help people understand what they need to do to get their page to kind of look like the training modules. First of all, we notice that we've got a title here, home page, and then modules that kind of make this home page look like a dashboard. A bunch of features are shown on the same page. We can kind of track items, but right now we just want to see announcements on this page. So we'll go to this button, Add Course Module. We're not going to add, we're going to remove. Notice that right at the top we have a module called Alerts listed with a Remove button. When we click that, it doesn't disable the feature in Blackboard permanently, it just takes it off of the dashboard we were looking at called a home page. And as we scroll down, we'll see a few more. Here is my announcements, which I'm going to keep. My tasks, which I will remove. And at the bottom, we'll find to do and what's new. I'm going to click remove and remove. This is all I need to do right now to get down to just announcements on that page. I will click OK here. And now I only show announcements on this page. But it's still called home page. And in my navigation links, I don't have a link for announcements. What I'll do here is first rename the page. I go to this little drop-down arrow. I select Edit. And right under Module Page Information, item number 1, I simply choose Announcements. You can see I've been practicing this. I've done multiple recordings, so it's in the drop-down box ready to go for autocomplete. I don't need to change anything else. I'm just going to hit Submit. And now my page is called Announcements. And all it has on it is Announcements. And then we've got to change our link name here. So we'll do another drop down, choose Rename Link, and watch what happens. We've got another autocomplete drop down. We enter. We haven't completed this change, though. We have to either delete the change or accept it by clicking the checkbox. So now I've got a link that will take me to this page. The link says Announcements. The page says Announcements, just like we're used to in another configuration. To test it, we'll click the Information navigation link, go to the Information section, click Announcements, and we're back in the Announcements section of the course. Now we really know it's the home page. It's just that we want to talk the same talk as everybody that has only an Announcements page. Here's one difference. We are used to being able to click this link announcement and then add an announcement here at the top of the page. We don't have that button. From now on, when we want to add an announcement, we have to go under Course Tools here, lower down on our navigation, and notice there's an arrow there, so it may be hidden at first. A new instructor may need to be told to click the link, expand, click Announcements, and when you get there, now we see this Create Announcement button that we are used to. So we click Create Announcement, and we're going to call this one Test for Recording. I'm not going to put well, let's put a test message in there just so we can show it expanded, and we'll submit. Let's make sure it's not date restricted so we can see it right away. Hit Submit, and it appears here in our Create Announcement page, but let's go to our Announcements link where everybody can navigate just to read what's put out. Here it is. Under My Announcements, Test for Recording, I click, and there's the word test that I put in the body. Here's what it looks like. I want to edit this back out because I'm actually working in a live course for an instructor and she needs this to be available to her ready to roll. Here's my announcement. I go next to the title. There's another drop-down box. When I select that, I've got the option to delete, which I will do. This is final, but that's okay with me. I do want to clear out her course. No announcements found. I go back to my page here, and I've got blank announcements just waiting for her. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. When I put this out on YouTube, I will put a contact email too in case you have further questions.